Alkylation of amines. As you know the word alkylation means there is an addition of alkyl group, that is R group. That is nothing but the alkylation. So alkylation of amines result into the N substituted alkyl groups. Okay, so now see here this N substituted amines. So amines in presence of alkyl halide, this is Rx means alkyl halide, on heating gives N-alkyl amines. This is the statement for this reaction, and if I say that this reaction can form di, tri, tetra alkyl products of the amines. So how to write the reaction here? So if I try to write the reaction, so I think it is better to write reaction here. Okay, so the alkylation of amines, alkylation of amines. So general reaction I am writing here. So this RNH2, this is primary amine, which on alkylation in presence of Rx, okay, suppose I make this as R dash X, on heating gives RNH R dash, and here if you see this HX is a byproduct, one of the hydrogen atom, and X, that is minus HX. So this is your primary amine, then it is secondary amine. Now further reaction is there for this Rx, on heating again it gives minus HX as a byproduct, because this is the X and this one of the hydrogen atom from the nitrogen. Then this is Rn R dash, here again it is R dash, it is tertiary amine. Okay, now primary, secondary and tertiary amine, this reaction cannot stop at this particular step, that is at the tertiary amine. Further this Rx reacts with this tertiary amine. Okay, this on heating, this produces here this R, N, R dash, R dash and R dash. So this is tetra alkyl ammonium and it is halide. So this is the tetra alkyl ammonium halide. This is the salt, tetra alkyl ammonium halide. Salt is formed in this reaction. So if you want to stop this reaction at secondary amine or tertiary amine, you have to add accordingly the moles of this alkyl halide into the amines. So alkylation, it is also called as exhaustive alkylation reaction. Or Hoffman exhaustive alkylation. Exhaustive means all the hydrogen atoms along with the lone pair of electron which is present on the nitrogen, all are replaced by the R group, alkyl group. That's why it is nothing but the exhaustive alkylation. Okay, so primary amine gives secondary amine, it again produces tertiary amine, and then there is a tetra alkyl ammonium halide as a final product is formed in this particular reaction. According to statement what we have seen here, this reaction can form di, tri, tetra, okay, alkyl products. So this is nothing but the alkylation of amines. We consider the example for this. So On the next page I am taking the example. So this is the first example, methyl amine. Okay, so methylamine. So this reaction can be expressed in another fashion. So which is that, suppose methylamine plus, if I write this methyl chloride, which on reaction or on heating, what is the product? So the product is nothing but the CH3NH, and here this is the CH3 group, okay, plus HCl. This is primary amine, this is secondary amine. So what is the second step? Again this secondary amine, I am writing this as it is, secondary amine, CH3NH, CH3. Okay, this secondary amine on again reaction with methyl chloride, which on heating, what is the product now? This CH3N CH3 CH3. Okay, means it is tertiary amine. What is the byproduct? Again it is hydrogen chloride. Again this tertiary amine CH3, if I write this tertiary amine as CH3 thrice N, okay, this tertiary amine can be written as this CH3 3 times N plus CH3Cl, which on heating produces CH3 4 times and N. This is positively charged nitrogen, and there is a chlorine in the close vicinity, chloride. So just I have given the common name for this, that is primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, or this is now quaternary amine. Okay, but this is methylamine, it is dimethylamine, it is trimethylamine, then it is tetramethyl ammonium chloride. This is the salt. So this is the example for this alkylation reaction. Okay, now we'll see the next example for this. So second example we will see, suppose there is a ethyl group CH3 CH2 NH2. Okay, this on reaction with CH3Br on heating, what is the product? So if I try to write the different steps or different products, then how this reaction is to be expressed? So in this way, that is CH3 CH2 NH2, this on reaction with CH3Br on heating produces A. Again on reaction with CH3Br on heating produces B. Again on reaction with CH3Br on heating produces C. You have to write the products A, B and C, because here this ethyl amine, okay, this ethyl amine on reaction with methyl bromide, it gives methyl, then ethanamine. Okay, then the another product is N dimethyl ethanamine. Likewise, you can form the products. So I am writing the products here, A, B and C product. So what is this A product? Now CH3 CH2 NH, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group, that's why it is the product, plus you will get here HBr as a byproduct. B product, it is CH3 CH2 and CH3 CH3 plus HBr as a byproduct. Again when this C product is going to form, the nitrogen which contains the lone pair of electron is there, that is reacted with this methyl group, and here you will get the product that is CH3 CH2 N CH3 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 tetra alkyl substituted product. Okay, if I take this little bit upside, okay now. So if you see the product, it is NN trimethyl ethanamine. Okay, so this is the positively charged salt, and here the product is not HBr, here the product is Br minus, because this is tetra alkyl ammonium halide salt. So understand this reaction now. So we conclude here. For such important and informative videos, please subscribe to my channel Chemistry Learners and don't forget to press bell icon button. Thank you.